Today we're going over the 4 points of focus for sprint maintenance. Did you see that? Were you able to find the knee drive forward, the heel to bottom, strike under the chin, and the flick of the foot, also known as the ABCs of running? This is A, the knee drive forward. This is B, the heel to bottom. This is C, with one leg. This is the strike under chin with two legs. And this is the full sprint. We'll start by looking at A, the knee drive forward. As you can see, my knees come up high. They are driving in front of my body, and my opposite arm and leg are working together. The next one is B, the heel to bottom. As we pull through, we are coming from the ground to the bottom of our body. We are not kicking backwards. The next one is C, strike under chin. So there are two variations, the single foot and the double foot. So with one foot, you can see my right foot, I kick out and I pull underneath of my body. And the next one, I'm kicking out with both legs. My arms are working opposite and I'm still pulling underneath of my chin. So now we're going to look at the flick of the foot in the whole sprint. With this, my knees are going to be driving forward. I kick out and pull underneath. I completely extend and then I cycle back and pull my heel to my bottom, right? So I'm flicking my foot, and notice how upright and relaxed my upper body is while I'm doing this. So again, the 4 points of focus are A, knee drive forward, B, heel to bottom, C, strike under chin, and D, flick your foot.